I mean, it's got a lot of the original stuff that came with it. This was the high end for its day. And this, if you had this in 1986, just so that you know exactly what you're getting, we make sure that you see these cars not just with 300 photos, but also in full high definition detail with all of the video that we do take as well. All the gauges do work, horn works, but look at that. Door panels, carpet, all in just really, really good shape. Now remember, we have over 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I got this brand new addition for you. This is a 1986 Mercedes 560 SL, and it is just beautiful. Victory red, it's got the Palomino on the interior, it's got the soft top, it's got the hard top, 5.6 liter V8. This was the high end for 1986 in the Mercedes, and this is it. Just beautifully done, and it's just got right over 68,000 miles. There'll be a few more on the test drive. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on that test drive. Nice sunny day for this 1986 Mercedes 560 SL. It's the Roadster. It's also the hard top. It's got the soft top, it's got the hard top. Beautiful Victory red. Now there are a few little things that you can see in here. Rock chips there on the front. Haven't seen any that don't have any, just because this is Arizona. But what I really like about this is, look at this. I mean, it's got a lot of the original stuff that came with it. This was the high end for its day. And this, if you had this in 1986, you were awesome, that is for sure. And then even now, for 2025, you'd even be cooler. Look at this. Victory red, Palomino on the interior, AC works. This thing is just awesome. Wait till we get in the test drive with this one. And you can see, look, I mean, these rims are just in great shape as well. And then tires, they are, let's see, so those are from 2020. Great tread depth all the way around. Panels all are in great shape. You can see nice glow to everything here on this one. Look at that, just beautiful. Really, really is. No curb rash on these rims. Great tread depth. Look at those panels. I mean, just show so well. We're gonna take you, show you the engine, show you the interior, all the defects, just so that you know exactly what you're getting. We make sure that you see these cars not just with 300 photos, but also in full high definition detail with all of the video that we do take as well. So we got right here, again, tread depth, all in great shape, all the rims, they are near just curb rash free. Look at that. Now let's get into the engine bay. We'll show you the interior here in a second. What we got. Yeah, look at that. So even just the engine bay itself is just in as good a shape as the exterior. All the originality with it. It has airbags for 1986. Look at that. It has been converted over to R134 for your AC. Even that is in good shape. I love to see that. If you're looking for a 560 in your collection, whether you're from here in the States or overseas, because this one might just head overseas, it's in such good shape. These were super, super hot. They've came down a little bit, but this one is, I'm gonna say, in better condition for all the ones that we have sold. All the gauges do work, horn works, turn signals all work, lights do work. And let's get, there we go. We got wipers. This one does have an updated stereo, do not have the original stereo, but this one does have, this is just, yep, so that's working just like it should. All of your AC, everything again, all of your gauges are working as well. You can see there. And then let's take you into the trunk. Take you to the trunk real quick. And look at that here in the trunk. That is just beautiful. We have the original, so that is original for 1986. It shows you all the different models. And then here we do have owner's manual. And what I really do like is that we do have this as well. So it's basically its birth certificate. And that was the original price. Look at that, $52,300. That is just crazy. Battery is here on this side. It's all in there. That is, it's about 3 years old on the battery. Does have a car cover, dust cover there. And then these are new replacements for your sun visors. Yeah, I mean, just beautiful, beautiful shape. Even so, that right there is what I'm talking about. But look at that. Door panels, carpet, all in just really, really good shape. Glove box, look at that. Dash is in great shape. There's a little crack right there, but other than that, there's not anything going on. This wood, I don't know. I've never seen one that is perfect, and even just stored inside climate controlled, they have all just gone really, really bad. But look, this thing is just beautiful. Now what we're gonna have to do is get into the test drive, but let's get that soft top up so that you can see that. That's for it. There we go. So that releases that side there. But yeah, I'm gonna put this one down just for a second so you can see. So that comes up. Back, and I'm going to show you guys in here as well. So look just how nice and clean that is. You got your Sirius radio just in case you want to use that, but really nice and clean in there. Let's get this down. And then we'll get that down. Back goes on first, then you hold it down, and then you tighten this. And because it's brand new, look at that, brand new. Of course, the fitment was in there and folded in there for a little bit. But other than that, hey, this thing is ready to go. Show you the windows working as well. Oh yeah. Up and down. Of course, 1986, they were a little bit slower, but they are working like they are supposed to. And look at that, really nice fitment. And then this one. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna get the AC going into the test drive. Click it or ticket. And so we got AC. Okay, we went over all of the horn. go. Nice C-Class. Guy's like, come on, Grandpa, move out the way. Yeah, right, he was looking at it. He's like, I need that. About to trade his C580. That was a new C580. Big body Benz. Hey, we're rolling in the big body Benz for 1986. And that's, you know, just the greatest thing about all of these cars is you get the nostalgia of it. Just like that guy in that C-Class, that new C-Class. Hey, he probably had one of these back in the day, or he wanted one back in the day and hadn't made it yet. So that's what really makes all of these cars just so special. And it's not because they are the most comfortable or most reliable. They were just cool for their day and technology advances. But what makes this one just awesome is that you can see everything's working on it. It's immaculate on the inside, on the outside. It's got cold AC, new top. It's got the hard top, but the greatest thing is you just keep the top down. You keep it in the garage. You take it out on a nice, beautiful night, see the sunset, you know, wherever you're at, whether you're here in the mountains or you're in North Carolina or, you know, out by the ocean, wherever. That's what these are for. And this one, you can tell, it just rides out fabulous. I really do like this one. It's a nice warm day today. All the temperatures are staying good, just right where you want them to. Thing rolls out, and again, it's got the 5.6, so it actually is pretty quick, especially for its day. Rides out well, really nice and smooth. You can see that. No judder in the steering wheel. Brakes are real good. You know, everything with it. This is something that you definitely want in your collection. That is for sure. Now remember, we have over 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Right after this is gonna be the Undercarriage. All right, guys, we are getting under this 1986 Mercedes 560 SL. Right over 60,000 miles, and this thing is in really good shape. You can just see it's got new fuel pumps, but just look at how nice and dry this really is. Look at these floor pans. They are just in such good shape all the way through. There's a little bit of seepage from the motor. Of course, that's just gonna be expected for something this old. But overall, you've got your four-wheel disc brakes. You've got lots of power in this thing, and it is just an amazing vehicle. It really is. It's available, ClassicCarAddict.com.